Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is another casual unboxing, as you can tell, because I just got back from the gym. So when I want to do my Boxycharm unboxing, it's because I just got home from work, so I have gym hair, don't care. Don't mind my streaky orangeness. I've been using this wet orange moisturizer in the shower and it makes me really streaky. Changed up my background a little bit. If you guys see, I'm still trying to figure it out, but I've been vibing it. I hope you're vibing it too. And let's just jump right into this while I'm orange and I got my workout hair. So got my Philadelphia Eagles shirt on and let's get into Boxycharm. Oh, this stuff makes me so streaky. I'm so used to wearing scarves and turtlenecks at work all day, so. Casually opening Boxycharm. All right, mine is like really schmooshed. All right, and the theme, don't mind my nails. I've been trying to grow them out. They are just horrible. My boss told me today, she goes, are we gonna have to start paying for your manicures? Because I am like the face of the business. Don't mind my dog barking. How do I fix this? Okay, Rock 2018. Thing I see is a Galactic matte lip paint. It is in the color Demure. Ooh, I like how this has like a glazed bottle. Oh, so pretty. And this retails for $23. Wow, everything I'm opening doesn't have a mirror. Cool. Christ almighty. I like this packaging, very cute. Wow. Dig this color. Dig so far this formula. Oh, this is so pretty and it's so comfy. Oh my goodness. Well, it hasn't dried down yet, so of course it's comfy, but this is more of like a moussey lip paint, which I love. Yes, yes. Next we have the, oh my god, everything in here is so cold because it was left outside all day. It's supposed to snow. The Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base. I wonder if this is like, oh, this has like a creamy base to it. It smells good, smells this is probably expensive. Dr. Brandt is an expensive brand. So far digging. This is $38. And I can always use a luminizing primer because let's hear it for everyone in the back because I say it all the time. I have dry skin. So I'm pumped. I'm freaking pumped about this. Yes. Next we have the It Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. How does that work? Oh my god, it's freezing. Does it have it's got a little spoolie, so I definitely enjoy that. And then it's shaped like that. It's very interesting. It's very taupey, so that's good for me. So how is this universal? I don't know, but oh, I guess if you do it, you hold it, press down more, then it's more dark, but this is a good find. I can always use a brow pencil. I've been using eyeshadow because I've been way more into that, but I could use a brow pencil or brow power. This is $24. I feel like this is a really fancy Boxycharm. Next, we have the Glam. Oh, this feels like crusty. Uh-oh, there's probably something broken in here. The Glam Metals Palette by Crown. Knew it. I freaking knew it! I can try to repress that, but it's still so freaking annoying because it's like a pretty color. I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Well, these might be nice. They have product all over them. Spilled everywhere. I'm second Boxycharm and both have been broken, so. Last month, you know how it was broken? Well, they couldn't refund me because they were sold out of it, so they gave me charms, and all that's on the website is goddamn a pencil sharpener, so I don't want a freaking pencil sharpener. Color Rock On has obviously seen better days. I'm gonna get thrown off Boxycharm because I'm always gonna be complaining. So we have our Pure Cosmetics product all covered in shite. Ugh. Are you gonna be broken? Please don't be broken. I can't even get this open. There's a safety seal on it. Everybody look away from my stupidity. Face Glow palette. So this is pretty cool. First of all, how much was that Glam Metals palette? It's 25. 25 of broken stuff. And this is 34. Guys, I'm so bummed. Oh, wow. Ooh. Super powdery. Like, look at that. Are you seeing that? That is... This is like a very gold highlighter. I'm not super into gold highlights. Very powdery, pinky orange. It pulls a very pinky orange. And then this bronzer is more like an eyeshadow. Jesus Christ, that's more like an eyeshadow on me. Can you imagine that on me? I am dark for me right now because of that weird self-tanner I'm using. Super powdery highlight. I can't tell if I like it or not. I mean, I guess it's very elegant and pretty. So I like this, but now I'm bummed because that goddamn eyeshadow palette was ruined. Guys, it's just another day in the life. It's just another day. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we have a little more luck next time with Boxycharm. That was my second ever Boxycharm. 2 broken. Have an awesome night, guys. Fabulous week. Bye.